When it comes to upgrading or replacing the doors in your Dallas home, preparing your home for the installation is essential to ensuring a smooth, efficient process. Whether you're installing a new front door, patio door, or interior door, taking the proper steps to prepare can help avoid delays, prevent damage, and ensure the installation is completed successfully. In this article, we'll walk you through the necessary steps to properly prepare your home for a door installation in Dallas, so you can enjoy your new doors with minimal disruption to your daily life. Clear the area around the door. The first and most important step in preparing for door installation is to clear the area around the door to provide the installer with enough room to work. This will help the installation process go more smoothly and minimize the risk of damaging your furniture, flooring, or personal items. Exterior doors. If you're replacing an exterior door, ensure that the area outside the door is also cleared. Move any furniture, outdoor decor, or plants that could get in the way of the installation team. If you have a porch or stairs leading up to the door, be sure they are accessible and unobstructed. Interior doors. For interior door installations, clear the immediate area surrounding the door. This might include moving furniture or other items in the room to give the installer easy access to the doorframe. Having a clear and tidy space will allow the professionals to work efficiently and help ensure your home remains damage-free throughout the process. Protect your flooring and walls. While door installers are skilled at their craft, it's always a good idea to take a few extra precautions to protect your flooring and walls from accidental damage. The installation process involves handling large, heavy doors and may include sanding, cutting, or finishing touches, all of which could potentially cause dust, dirt, or scratches. Floor protection. Lay down protective coverings like drop cloths, plastic sheets, or old towels on the floor around the installation area. This will help protect your floors from dirt, debris, and any accidental spills from the installation process. Wall protection. If the door installation requires removing or adjusting the door frame, there may be some risk of damage to the walls around the door. Consider using painter's tape to cover edges or placing a soft barrier along the walls to protect them from scratches or marks. By taking these simple steps to protect your floors and walls, you ensure that your home remains in great condition throughout the installation. Prepare for noise and disruption. Like any home improvement project, door installation can involve noise and some disruption to your daily routine. Installers may need to remove the old door, cut and adjust materials, or use power tools, which can create significant sound and activity in the home. Be prepared for noise. If you work from home or have young children, be sure to communicate with the installer about the timing of the installation. You may want to schedule the work during hours when the household is typically away or when noise is less likely to be disruptive. Temporary disruptions. During the installation, the doorway may be temporarily inaccessible. This is especially important for exterior doors or doors that serve as primary entry points. Plan accordingly by considering alternate entrances or adjusting your schedule for the day. By preparing yourself and your family for some temporary disruptions, you can help minimize any inconveniences during the installation process. Check door measurements and styles beforehand to ensure that the installation process goes smoothly. Double-check the measurements and style of the door you've selected. Door fit is critical, as an incorrectly sized door can cause delays and additional costs. Confirm door size. Double-check with your installer or supplier to ensure that the door you've ordered fits the dimensions of your doorway. This will help prevent any last-minute surprises or delays. Verify door style. Make sure that the door style you've chosen suits both your aesthetic preferences and the functionality of your space. Whether you've selected a solid wood door, a glass panel door, or a modern design, confirming these details ahead of time will ensure you're happy with the final result. By confirming measurements and door styles ahead of the installation, you help ensure that everything is ready for a smooth and efficient process. Communicate with the installation team before the installation day arrives. It's important to have clear communication with the installation team. This helps ensure that any specific requirements or preferences are addressed. Installation details. Let the installer know if there are any specific instructions or requests, such as security concerns, the need for a particular type of finish, or any design preferences. This will help the team understand your vision for the space and avoid misunderstandings during the installation. Logistics. Ensure that the installers know where to park their vehicles and which entrance to use for the best access. If there are any specific safety requirements or concerns, such as pets or children in the home, make sure to communicate those ahead of time. Open communication with your installation team ensures that they can provide the best service and take any special requirements into account. Check for any permitting requirements. Depending on the scope of your door installation project, you may need to obtain a permit from the City of Dallas. For example, if you're replacing an exterior door or altering the structure of your home, a permit may be required to comply with local building codes. Permits for structural changes. If your project involves changing the size of the door opening or making structural changes, check with your installer or local municipality to see if a permit is necessary. Professional door installation companies can often assist with obtaining the proper permits. By ensuring that all necessary permits are in place ahead of time, you can avoid delays or complications during the installation process. Conclusion. Preparing for a smooth door installation in Dallas. Proper preparation is key to ensuring that your door installation in Dallas goes as smoothly as possible. By clearing the installation area, protecting your floors and walls, preparing for potential noise, and confirming all measurements and styles, you can help the process go quickly and efficiently. Communication with the installation team, along with making sure all permits are in place, ensures a seamless experience from start to finish. With the right preparation, you'll be able to enjoy your beautiful, newly installed doors with minimal disruption and maximum satisfaction. Whether you're upgrading your front door, adding a stylish patio door, or installing new interior doors, taking these steps will help ensure a successful installation and enhance the beauty and functionality of your home.